There are two questions about fixing up a home in preparation to sell it that I get asked all the time. And they're similar questions. One is, should I do any upgrades because the buyer is likely to come in and rip everything out anyways? And the second is, should I fix the things I know need to be fixed because the buyer might ask for those repairs when inspecting? And I separate those two because the first one I see as the emotional connection to the home. That is the things that when the buyer walks in, they're going to feel. We're looking to have the buyer walk into your home and have them feel like it's theirs and be emotionally connected, afraid to lose it to another buyer because they're going to get outbid or not make their offer fast enough. That's the emotional state we want to put a buyer in order to get them to pay the most money for your home. So repairs like deep cleaning, painting, adjusting some lighting, all of those can be fairly cost effective and improve most homes. Now, that doesn't work on every home. Sometimes that's a band-aid on a bleeding artery and we need a bigger repair than that. So let's take a look at your house. The second thing is minor repairs. Should I fix those before it's inspected or after? You really want to look at this through the lens of what are you going to fix to live there anyway? What are the things that are safety hazards or structural defects that a buyer is going to going to find in an inspection and be turned off about your house? And that any buyer would. So you don't need to go too far. You don't need to go and do every little, thing on a home inspection is going to find, but you do want to do the things that most home buyers are going to be turned off by, or that they're going to ask you to do anyways, just to make sure that the home is safe and functional for you to live there, whether or not you sell it. So if you have questions on what to do and not to do, I'd be happy to talk to you about them and make sure that you're strategic in selling your home so that you net the most amount of money in your pocket.